Alright folks, when in Lexington, North Carolina, you must have Lexington Barbecue or other places, but I'm at Lexington Barbecue. Can't wait to try it. In between visits of ballparks in High Point and Salisbury, North Carolina, I was told to visit Lexington Barbecue. Many people say the town of Lexington is the capital of barbecue in the state of North Carolina. Back with cars. So they're doing something well. Let me make sure I'm not going to get hit by a car. Alright, we're trying some Lexington Barbecue right off the main drag. You can also get some cheerwine here if you want. So. Let's see what it's all about. Plenty of places to sit and eat. Alright, so I gave myself a chopped barbecue plate, sliced, coarse chopped. I'm going with one of those. Since 1962. You also get some cool sandwiches. Nice. I decided to go with the coarse chop. I think I like how that sounds. So she's going to bring out some little special pieces that are from inside the pit that are a little crispier. And then I don't know what this is, but this looks pretty good. Hot and tangy barbecue sauce, smokehouse. Let me get that right here. It's like I picked a perfect spot for some barbecue today. Okay, little introduction. These are hush puppies. Coarse ground, those are fries. This is their vinegar ketchup slaw, which I've never had before. And then of course the smokehouse barbecue. And apparently this is a barbecue sauce as well in there. We're gonna taste it all, folks. Hope you're hungry. Wow, where does one start? I'm gonna try the hush puppy. Dip that in that little dip. It's like a hot juice. Alright, let's just dig into this coarse chopped pork. I mean, that just looks delicious. Very moist and tender. Kind of what I'm used to, like in Kansas City, maybe. That's the way to go for me. Coarse, not chop, which I have nothing against chop, but coarse is on point. Here's the coleslaw. Vinegar and ketchup and some other seasonings. Blows away your mayonnaise-based coleslaw. Just blows it away. And then your fries, kind of your standard fries. All for 12 bucks. Can't complain. I'm gonna try this little sauce on there. Ooh, that's heavy vinegar. If I mix these two things, I get a Kansas City barbecue sauce. But this is fantastic. This is well worth the visit, well worth the trip. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my lunch. Thank you for joining us. It's time to eat. Here's that last piece. It's a little bit hard bark right there, but oh, it's gonna be so good. Wonderful. All done. Clean Play Club. So, come down to Lexington Barbecue. You're going to have a good time eating. That's the truth. All right, so these are the chimneys. This is where the smoke is coming out. This is the wood that is used. Open that door to fuel that fire, which is scorching hot right now from where I'm standing. Not quite sure what type of wood this is. If you know, please let me know. A little different of a smoke flavor here, but you can see the smoke just traveling up in the air and dissipating. Very nice. Don't open. Oh, it is burning hot right here. Wow. Scorching hot. Can we take a peek inside?
How we doing?
Not too bad.
Doing all right?
Yeah, doing well. What kind of wood do you use for?
We use hickory and white oak.
Okay, nice.
That's mainly it.
And then how long do they stay on the pit for?
About 11 hours.
Okay, perfect. And they say Lexington is the capital of barbecue here in this state. There's other places you can go to eat, but I only have one stomach, so you're gonna have to wait for another episode when I go to another venue. Very good though, very good.
I'm the Ballpark Hunter. If you like my videos, please hit subscribe as I visit another ballpark.